What the fuck can go wrong when growing a beard? Guys, today we're going to be talking about all the things that can go wrong when growing a beard out and all the things you should look out for in your journey. Number 1, shaving too early. I get it. Going from clean skin out to a full beard, it's itchy. You've got beard drift forming. It's painful, it looks patchy, it's not a fun process, but stick with it. Beards take time. You gotta give it a good 4 weeks for proper stubble to even come through. A good 3 months to even have a beard that you're wanting to shape properly with your barber. A good year if you want a good, decent length beard. You need to stick with it. Do not grab that razor in a moment of ignorance and hack at your face because you're gonna regret it the next day. Trust me, I have done it twice in the last 6 years and both times I have hated myself every single day afterwards. Number 2, not using beard oil. Now we have touched on this in previous videos, but when you're growing out a beard, the hair growing out of your face is going to take a lot of the sebum from the skin. It's going to cause dryness, redness, itchiness, and you need to put that moisture back in. If you're not using beard oil, the whole process of growing out a beard, or even just maintaining a beard of any length, is going to be uncomfortable and it's not something you're going to want to commit to. Please use beard oil. Number 3, not brushing your beard. A lot of people don't understand why you actually need to brush your beard, but think of it this way. With the hair on your head, you'll brush it, you'll use product to hold it in place and train it which way you want to go. Beards do the exact same thing. When you first start growing out a beard, hair's going to be poking every which way. You need to be using a brush to actually help train it to grow in the direction you want. Second reason you want to brush your beard is the bristles of the brush itself are a great exfoliant, so it helps get rid of a lot of that dead skin, or beard drift as we call it in the industry, so that you've got a nice presentable looking beard. Number 4, washing your beard incorrectly. There are tons of products on the market that we use for our hair, i.e. shampoos, conditioners, you name it. Most of these products though are way too harsh and they will actually strip a lot of the oils that we need on our skin and beard for healthy growth. Instead of using shampoo and conditioner, use an actual beard wash. Most of these washes have a much softer wash base, which aren't going to strip a lot of those oils that we need in our skin and our hair to help promote a healthy beard. But it is going to clean it still. So this way, you've got the best of both worlds. Number 5, trimming your beard incorrectly. Now, you've grown it out for a couple of months, it's got into a good length, and you're ready to start hacking at your face. Please don't just do that. I have done it enough times to share with you my experiences. Do not hack at your face without actually doing some research. There are so many different styles of beard out there that you should look into. Everyone has different face shapes that you need to take into consideration. And also you need to consider how high your hair actually grows and how low you want your hair to go down here as well. Take some time, do some research, talk to your barber if you need to as well. If you've got a relationship with them, they're gonna be able to talk through a couple of different styles they think will work for you, because ultimately they do it every single day. Definitely have a chat with them. They'll be able to hook you up for your very first trim, and they'll even be able to teach you how to do it moving forward. Number 6, not grooming your beard enough. You've got the shape right, you're happy with the look, you're happy with the style, you're happy with the length. You're gonna wanna keep it up though, you're gonna wanna keep it maintained. Every sort of 4 to 5 weeks, you're actually gonna need to properly reshape it again, because beard hair will continue to grow and you'll start to see hairs go all over the place if you don't maintain it by trimming it down. Another thing to keep into consideration as well is your lines. You wanna make sure that all your lines are trimmed probably weekly at a bare minimum, and that includes under the neck as well. The third thing you want to continue doing in the grooming process is using things like beard oil and beard balm. These are going to help maintain a healthy beard, add moisture back into the skin and hair, condition the hair, and ultimately make having a beard a much more enjoyable process. Leading on from that, number 7. Grooming your beard too much. Like I said before, to maintain a proper length and shape, you want to do it every sort of 4 to 5 weeks. Any more than that, and it's not going to give the hair enough time to grow out, and you're actually going to be shortening each time, which is going to undo all the hard work you've just done. Other point to consider, don't use too much beard oil, too much beard balm. It's going to leave a lot of residue, and that's not what you want when growing out a beard. Last but not least, number 8, the mustache. Don't forget about your mustache. Yes, it's exciting growing your beard out, but the mustache is its own entity. You need to take time and consideration to the style of the mustache as well. Make sure you're taking care of it, make sure you're brushing it with a fine-tooth comb, and it will quickly start to become of the style that you've chosen. Guys, this has been What the Fact. My name's Richard. I'm the APAC sales manager here at the Bearded Chap. If you liked the video, give us a like, give us a comment below with any questions you want to ask us, subscribe, and have a great day.